I will explain about addition of two signals using MATLAB. So I will take two signals. If we consider x1 is the one signal, so I am assuming this is the signal 1. So after conversion from physical to EM wave, so this is the equivalent continuous signal for signal 1. I am assuming this is x1 and amplitude versus time period t. I will take one more signal, that is x2. I am assuming this is the x2 physical signal, image 2. So after conversion as a continuous signal, so this is the one more signal, that is x2 with time period and amplitude. So I need to add these signal using MATLAB. First, what we need to do? First, generate the two signals. This is signal 1 and signal 2. Then add the two signals. That's it in MATLAB, and it is very easy. Just open the MATLAB and write the code and run it. We will get the output easily. Open the MATLAB and go for new program and write the code and run it. We will generate that is our required signal, signal 1, signal 2, and addition of two signals. I will explain the program. So these are the general instructions, as you know that. Here two input signals we need to mention here. You can see this is the time period for the signals, and this is the signal 1, x1 equals sin 2 pi 4 ft. As I said, I am assuming this is the signal x1, or else the equivalent is this one. This is the signal x1, and this is the signal generation for the signal 2. I am assuming this is x2, and or else this is the continuous after conversion from physical to EM wave. This is the x2. So these are we are generated here the two signals, and to plot that subplot of 2, 2, 2, 1. Out of that's the meaning is out of total screen 2 rows and 2 columns and first diagram. 2 rows and 2 columns and first diagram. What is the first diagram? That is plot t comma x1 is the first diagram. That's signal 1. In that, x label is time, y label is amplitude, and the title for the signal is input signal. Here this total part is, that is x1 generation, x is time, y label y is, that is amplitude, and the signal name is input signal 1. So this is the first signal we have generated. Then second signal also, out of 2 rows 2 columns, that is second diagram is, that is plot t comma x2. Second signal need to generate out of 2 rows and 2 columns, that is second signal is we need to generate, that is x2 need to plot. So this is the second signal, and two input signals here are generated, that is x1 and x2 here generated. This is the x1 and this is x2, two signals. Then addition of two signals. So for that we need to write y1 equal, that is y1 is the addition of two signals, I am assuming x1 plus x2. So after addition we need to draw again. So out of 2 rows and 2 columns, so this is the third diagram, addition of two signals. This is the third diagram. What is that plot? That is t comma y1. Y1 should be plot. In that, x label is time and y label is amplitude. Title should be getting as an addition of two signals. So this is the addition of two signals in MATLAB. We need to type in that. I am explaining again. So this is the signal 1 generation, signal 2 generation. So here we need to plot the signal 1 and as x label time and y label is amplitude. Here this is the signal 2 plot. We are plotting signal 2, that is x2, and after that two signals generation we need to add the two signals, y1 equal to x1 plus x2. So like this we need to write the code using MATLAB. For this, first we need to open the MATLAB, then any old one is there, you can need to close it, then go for new script, click on new script. So here we need to type the our code. As I explained, the addition of two signals code we need to write here. So I am pasted here instead of writing. So as I explained already, so we need to type the code, and here total code I am typing here. So here now the total code is completed. For generation, you can see this signal 1 generation, 2 generation, then addition of two signals part. After this, writing this code, we need to go for file and save it here. Save this code first. Go to, so this is the code, total code for signal addition of two signals. Then save it first. Control S or else you can go for save it. Then I am saving it as addition new .m. Any folder you can save it. I am saving in my folder. So then save. So save it. After this, you can go for run option is there and click on that, and you will get. Now we can see this. This is the signal 1 generation, signal 2 generation, and this is the addition of two signals. So like this you can easily generate any signals by using MATLAB. The signal 1 generation, that is x1 equals sin 2 pi 40. Signal 2 generation sin 2 pi 80. This is addition of two signals. So like this you can generate the signals using MATLAB. Thank you.